Today, we're dragging something out of the corner of the shed that's been sitting for too long. I just bought this 38-year-old Honda FourTrax 300, and today we're gonna see if she'll fire up. Let's do it. Now, I'm no mechanic, but this thing don't appear to be in that bad of shape. And these old Hondas, basically impossible to kill. This video is sponsored by Friday Parts, in collaboration with our 1988 Honda 300 Rebuild Series. Friday Parts sent us a brand new seat to replace this homemade special, a new fuel valve to stop the leaks, and a fresh air filter to clean up whatever's living inside that air box and get her breathing right. If you're rebuilding, repairing, or just trying to keep an old machine alive, Friday Parts carries replacement parts for ATVs, heavy equipment, tractors, and more. Huge thank you to Friday Parts for helping us bring this old girl back to life. Let's do it. Now, if you've watched the channel for a while, you've probably seen this thing sitting in the background of some videos. And I've done a couple ride videos with it. But it's been parked here all winter, and before that I've only used it about 3 times. So I'm no mechanic, I'm probably the worst mechanic on YouTube, but that's a big part of the fun of these videos. We're learning as we go. Let's do it. First thing we're gonna do is take this seat off, because I took it off a couple months ago. My daughter's owned this bike for, geez, probably 10 years. And I thought, geez, I've never done any maintenance. My dad bought it for her. He's never done any maintenance. It spent most of its time at my dad's house. She hardly used it. Anyway, I decided to open up this air box. And to no one's surprise, there is a colony of mice in there. And look at that air filter. Oh, that's nasty, man. We got to take care of the old girl better. Okay, it's looking a lot better in there. We'll get that old filter out of there and our new Friday Parts filter put in. The old girl probably seen better days. Brutal. Alright, we vacuumed out the air box and sprayed it down with a little brake clean and give it a wipe. It's not a perfect job, but it's good enough for me. Hopefully this filter fits. I haven't tried it yet. She's tightening up good now. We got the air box all buttoned up. Now we're going to remove that back seat permanently. Then we're going to put on that brand new seat. Okay, the seat's ready to come off. Just taking this off is going to make a big difference in the looks of the bike. Hell yeah, it's starting to look like an ATV. Now it's time to put on that new seat from Friday Parts. She gonna fit? Oh yeah, I think she's gonna fit. Boy, look at that. Seat fits tight. Pulling on it, shake the whole bike. There's a little gap there, but I find when I push on it, it closes up and then it's got like a suction cup. So maybe once I sit on it enough, it might form better, but damn, that looks nice. Gonna be riding in comfort. Yeah, she looks way better already. But is she gonna start? Let's find out. Oh yeah, nice. All right, let's fire her up. Hopefully the battery's still charged enough to roll it over. Give her a little choke. Here we go. Make sure the gas turned on. It's probably off. Yep, it was off. Choke, a little flick of the gas. She don't want to start. I'm pretty sure there's fuel in it. There's fuel in it. Now what am I gonna do? We'll have to haul her out here on the floor and check for spark, I suppose. Like I say, I'm not a mechanic. That'd make it a little easier to move her around. Say we need a set of tires. Wheels would be nice too. But we can paint these up or something. Be good enough. That should do for now. This bike's got a couple wires sticking out of the back for battery tender. Okay, we're gonna put her on a charge. Yeah, I bought this last year and only fired it up once. But holy, I don't know much about anything. That does not look good. Looks like it's cooked. I'll clean that up. Maybe she'll fire. Does that look like to you fellas? See if we can't shine this up a bit. It's looking a lot better. Let's see what that does. Alright, the plug's cleaned up. Let's try it again. A little bit of choke. We'll take this seat off. We'll try spraying some brake clean in the air intake. Does that mean it's not getting fuel? I don't know. Say I'm not a mechanic, I don't know nothing about this. Maybe she's not getting fuel, or that's the old fuel. I just figured something out. Let's see how much of an idiot I am. I had this problem before. My old man told me about this primer button that's on the carburetor. Right there, that black thing. Got to pump that a few times. She should take right off. I'm over here putting brake clean in the air intake. Should be able to pump that a few times and it should just take right off. Good sign. Let's give that a couple more pumps. It's not going to work for us either. Maybe it's the gas. Maybe I need to drain the gas and go get some new stuff. Like I say, it has been sitting there for, I don't know, 4, 5, 6 months. Probably not 6, probably 4 months. Probably should check the oil in it too. Oh, what's this? We get some gas dripping. I'm not sure what that means. Throw her in the comments. Well, I thought I'd try it one more time and it's like it wants to go, but not quite. Let's try her again. Oh yeah. She's idling on choke. Ah. Let's try her again. Gas is just pouring out of it over here. It's something to do with the carburetor, I think. Well, that's all for this one. I'm going to drain the gas out of this sucker, put some new stuff into it, see if we can't get her fired up. Thank you to Friday Parts. Check them out, fridayparts.com. Like and subscribe if you want to follow the series. See if we can make something out of this thing. See if we can get her to start at least. And then eventually get her on the trails. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.
Scotian Off-Road on YouTube.